If I get stuck by lightning while taking this test.
42 minutes.
Mr. Ward, are you gonna check our calculators?
Yeah, I'll go.
No, I already know mine's in perfect degree form. Unless you would like me to change it into...
Alright, stop it.
Nothing new.
Let's see, where's my... Lucas.
Hello.
Here's like his first time. Okay.
What?
Once I get these all handed out, then we'll go through instructions. Hopefully everyone's...
That's inappropriate. Yeah, you're gross.
Okay. Alright. Okay, for those three that are starting, make sure you put your name on it. Everyone else, just go through the instructions here, the directions, all that good stuff. Calculators, I'll go around and I'll check them here in a minute, just in case. I'm not too worried about it. There's not too many that you have to actually type in. There's only selecting on the back page. Remember, 1, 2, 3, make sure you're substituting. You can plug in sines and cosines. You can do the Pythagorean identity substitutions or versions of them. You can do conjugate rule. Just make sure you're doing that. Remember, number 3 should go down to a single trig function of some type if you do enough substitutions to it. 4 and 5, you have to use the sum and difference formulas. You are allowed to have your property sheets out and this extra one that will help you with the sum and difference. Make sure you're using the unit circle to figure out which angles add or subtract to make those, and then you got to give me the final answer for 4 and 5. It should just be a fraction of some form. 6, that is a sum and difference formula. You have to go back to what the original item should have been. Like if you're using this thing, they're giving you the formula number 6. You have to go back to what the original part should have been, like a single trig function. Then you can rattle off the answer for that. Like it should work out. I have the conversions, how to convert like radians to degrees on the board. 7, you need to draw the triangle, then figure out the 3 double angles. Make sure on the cosine you just pick one of the formulas to plug it into. The answers, you don't have to go too far, just plug in the numbers into the formula and I'm pretty much good with that. If you want to simplify, you can. 8, that is a double angle formula. You have to go back to what the original side should have been on that double angle formula on number 8, and then give you the exact answer. It should be easy. It should be like a 2-step problem, kind of like number 6 up above. Number 9, you have to simplify. Now on number 9, here's what I warned you yesterday. That top of that right side is cosine 2 theta. That's a double angle formula, so you can do a substitution there. On the bottom, that is cosine squared. So you, so on that one, you'll have to substitute some stuff in and simplify it. It should be straightforward. I think I could do that in like 2 steps. That's how simple it is. So 10, you have to use a half angle formula and actually evaluate that thing. So make sure you're using one of the half angles for tangent. Number 11, draw the triangle, then give me the half angle formulas. You just have to write down the formula and then just plug in your numbers into it. You don't even have to simplify it very far. 12, draw the triangle, figure out all the missing pieces that are on it using the law of sine. On that one, I know there's an option for having 2 separate triangles. You only have to use 1. So, 13, find the missing part that's on that picture. Let's see. 14, draw a triangle, find the missing parts. That one you have to use the law of cosine to figure out an angle. Here's my little hint to you. You'll have to use an inverse cosine to find one of the angles.
Oh, that's what I was doing yesterday.
And then on the rest of that, they can do the law of sine. 15, just figure out the missing part, you know, the distance on that picture, and then find the angle. If you find the angle in the triangle, I'm good with that too. So, because it says directional bearing, but you can put the angle in the triangle, it's the same thing. So, all right, the rest of the time is yours. There's 30, 40 minutes left of class here. If you don't get finished today, try to come in at some point today and finish it up. I'd like it done today, except for I guess there's 3 of you that probably have an excuse not to finish it. So, but work on it. Questions you can attempt to ask. I can't guarantee that I'll answer it. So.
That's fine.